Yes, guys, I'm back in the kitchen one more time again. Today, I'm going to cook some barbecue pork ribs. Okay, so I'm going to add my seasoning to it. This is some cloves. Put some cloves on it. Just a little cayenne pepper. Chili pepper. Open it. This is some onion powder. Garlic powder. Red pepper. Put some paprika on it. Like body a seasoning, body a complete. All-purpose seasoning. All-purpose seasoning, wait. And a little black pepper. This guy, see it here? We're gonna put it under the oven. Yeah. Put it under the oven right here. Put it on 350. Yes. Yes. Guys, we're gonna add barbecue sauce. Put it back under for 20 minutes. Potato in the oven. I put it, let it boil a little, so I'm going to put it in the oven. See the pork rib here, barbecue pork rib out of the oven. So guys, we're going to put in this some seasoning. Yes guys, this is the Irish with some shredded cheese in it. And I'm gonna put it back in the oven for 5 minutes. Right. Yes guys, this is the final dish. Barbecue pork rib, baked potato with white rice. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. And I see you in the next video.